Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here to work on some ephemera templates and some ephemera that Kara Brandon has put out. And I wanted to give it a whirl and see how it is. So what I done is I took the templates that she made. I printed out what it would look like, and then I printed out the actual template. Okay, and what I done is I printed out each template twice, and I used one to laminate. I'm gonna have to run it through my laminator again. I just did it once. And I took some double-sided tape and I glued all the little glued all this to cardstock, okay, and took some double-sided tape, put it on so I can stick it on here, and then when I need it, all I do is pop it off and I got it. Okay, so we're going to work on the first template here, and this is how it will look if I put it the right way. Let me put my clips back in the drawer here. So I have my pieces, this one here, this one, and these two. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to round my corners first of all, first step. And I'm going to do the two bottom on all four. Okay, now she stitched around hers, so I'm not going to do that. So right now all I'm going to do is take it and make a pocket with it. Okay, so I'm going to take, let me put this up there, these two here, okay, and glue them on here. But I'm going to show y'all the way that I do it. So I have some scrap cardstock here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this in about that far. Then I'm going to take my pencil, bring this down a little, and I'm going to cut two pieces. Okay, and then take the bottom, bring it up right about there. I don't know why my room looks a little bit dark, but that's alright. I'm going to outline there, okay, and this is times 1. Now what I really need is this one times 2, and this one times 4. So we're going to pull out the scissors. Okay, I'm going to cut down here. This will be 1 for that one, 1 for this one. Now I can take this piece here and go again for that part. So I have my 2 pieces for this one done. That's done. Put that to the side. Bring this one in. Maybe I can do it this way. Perfect length. Okay. Do 2 more, 3 more of this one. That's 1. Here's 2. And here's 3. Now I may sew around them once I'm done with everything, but for right now, I'm not gonna. Now all I'm gonna do is take this and bring it over and fold it. I'm gonna do that to all of them. Just bring it bend it in the middle, bring it over, and fold it. Okay, that's 2. Here's number 3. Here's number 4. And this will give you the room if you want to put something in it. It'll give you a little more room to add stuff in. Okay. Now I may have to do each one separate. We'll see. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and glue it here. But you see, I can put this here or over here. But I have the thicker ones for down at the bottom. So I'm going to take this and glue it there. Just put your glue here and here for now. Put this one on like so. Press it, hold it, and then bring your other one on. Press it and hold it. Take all the excess glue out. And then what I'm going to do is turn it over and trim them. Okay? And then I'm going to take the big one here and do the same thing. Okay? And this is going to slip inside the 2 smaller ones. But from what I can see, I cut it perfectly. Perfect fit. Now I'm going to take and put a little bit of glue here and a little bit of glue there. And then hold them tight. And then, you see, they open. Like this. And then take it. Let me snip this little corner here and here. And we put it right on here. Now you can put a thumb hole over here, but I'm not gonna, because I don't have a punch small enough for it. Okay, now we're gonna do this one. Same thing. We're gonna put the glue on here. Okay, on both parts. And then take your piece here, glue it there. Take this one, put it on over her. Squeeze out all that excess glue. And then we're going to open these up. And we're going to stick our glue all along here. Okay? For this one. Now we're going to open this up and just do this. Wipe all the excess there and all the excess on the outside, and put our little dabs of glue. Hold that, hold that. Just a couple seconds, and it sticks. And you see, you can put a little card in here. And I should have put something before I glued it down. There we go. And then take it and you trim off those. And then you take it, glue it right onto here. Whoops, I forgot to trim off the little pieces right here. Now glue it. And you got yourself another pocket. Now, for the next one, let me move these out of the way. Let me get my little glue board here. There we go. Okay, so we did this one. So we're going to move that one to the side. Okay. Now we're going to work on this one. This is the belly band. Yep, the belly bands. This one was paper pad ephemera. Okay, so now this is what it's going to look like. So I've cut out all my pieces. 2 of this one, 2 of that one. You know, all of it's dead. So I'm going to put that card over to the side. And all we're going to do is take one of these and one of these and glue them right on. So, little glue up here, little glue up here, and that's one belly band ready to go. Now, you can do the belly band another way too. If you want it flat like that, you can put it like that. Now, if you fold the edge over just a tiny bit, okay, same thing on this side, just a tiny bit, it'll give you a little more room to add like a couple of tags or whatever in it. Okay, so we got the 2 belly bands done. That's that. Okay, now next we're going to work on, and these I've got to recut, the 2 ephemera pockets here. There's 2 snippet pockets. We got our pieces cut out, and this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so I'm going to cut these out. I forgot to do that beforehand, but that's alright. Doesn't take that long to cut them out. Now you can find all of my links down in the description box to all my social media. Okay. I'm going to leave a little bit of a top on here. Just a tiny bit. That one's done. Trim off a little bit just there. Save that piece. Throw all this away. Okie dokie. Now I want to see what it's going to look like. Now she has a hole, a thumb hole. So I don't have a small hole punch. All I have is a 1-inch circle punch. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Okay. Now this is a 1-inch circle punch. And I don't want to make my circle that big. So I'm just going to barely put it in. Make sure it's even on both sides. Punch. And then you got your thumb hole. Okay. Same thing on this one. I'm going to cut that extra piece off. Make sure it's even on both sides. This one I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Like that. See? So we got our thumb holes. I'm going to put this back down. And we're going to cut. I'm going to leave it like that. I like it like that. Okay. And then we got our 2 pieces here, which I have to sew. So that one's done. Almost there. We got the last one here. So this one is going to look somewhat like this. And here's all my pieces. Oops, we don't need that. So we have the longer piece here. That's a pocket. Okay. We're going to need our thumb hole. I'm just trying to cut right up to the edge there. Cut that one out. Let's go all of them at the same time. Okay? Now I still have to sew all of these, so once I sew them, I'll put them in the I'll take pictures and put them in the video. That's that one. Now this one has a little bit more, because you got tucks and everything on here. Okay, so that's those. We have a tag here. And in one video, I will decorate them. That's that one. Now for the tuck spots. That's one tuck. Two tucks. And I will try to link everything. I will link her group down below so you can go and join. So, that's, again, with this pocket, we're going to take the 1-inch hole circle punch and punch our hole, our thumb hole. Does this one have? Where's my paper? That's that one. I'm missing a paper. Oh, duh. Yeah, it has a thumb hole. Okay, so, boom. Thumb hole, done. Okay. So we got our tuck spots, our, I don't know what these two are, but we got this piece. Oh, that's this piece here. We got our pieces here, and we got our tag. So the tag is going to go in the pocket like so, but then we have tuck spots to put on the pages also. So that's all done. So we have done this, and this, and this. So, like I said, this is how I have all of mine, okay? And I will punch holes and put them in a binder. So we have 1, 2, and 3, 4. So whatever I need to do tuck spots and stuff, I'll have all of these to look back to, okay? So if you want a video on how I did the pages, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do it. So those are all our little pieces that we've done. All our little ephemera. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Also, be kind, be crafty, be blessed. Let me start. I just lost my train of thought. Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, be positive, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye.